In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light bulbs on your Honda Civic. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To access the tail light bulbs and the bodywork, use a fork to remove the 3 plastic rivets holding the trunk carpet in place. Then, shift the trunk carpet. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To remove the reverse light bulb, remove the light bulb power connector by pressing the tab and pulling on the connector. To remove the reverse light bulb socket from the taillight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. Simply pull the bulb out to remove it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb, put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. Plug the electrical connector back in. Repeat the same procedure for the brake light and turn signal light bulbs. Put the trunk carpet back in place. Then put the 3 rivets back in place. Contrary to the video, your vehicle may have a carpet that needs to be removed to access the light bulb in the tailgate. To change the light bulb, grasp the socket, turn it counterclockwise, and pull it out. Simply pull the bulb out to remove it. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Operation complete.